Another attempt to cap the blowout of the Oil India Limited natural gas well, which have been on the fire since June 9 in Upper Assam's Tinsukia district, failed on Monday. Due to technical glitches, the high-pressure blowout at the Oil India Limited Baghjan gas well number 5 in Tinsukia district had taken place on May 27th. On June 9th, a major fire broke out at the gas well, resulting in the death of the two oil firefighters. After the gas well caught fire, it has been in continuously spitting geysers like jets of flames. Here's a report. An almost successful attempt to control the Baghjan gas well in Upper Assam's Tinsukia district was foiled by a last-minute technical snag that occurred during the final weld capping operations on Monday. Earlier on the 76th day of the Baghjan blowout, experts from the Alert Disaster Control Singapore, assisted by the crisis management team of the OIL, ONGC and Schlumberger, successfully managed to place the blowout preventer over the weld head of the Baghjan blowout well. Placing the BOP successfully was quite challenging for the expert team, considering its extreme heavy weight and the intense hit caused by the leaping flames of the high-pressure gas well. But the joy proved a short life as one of the two bull lines connected with the ATI wagon, which was lifting the BOP stack, snapped out of the socket due to the impact of extreme heat. As a precautionary measure, the BOP was removed from the well head and brought down. The first attempt to cap the weld made on July 31 was also unsuccessful, as the ATI wagon used in the operation was toppled over, unable to bear the load of the blowout preventer. After the incident, modifications were made on the design of the ATI wagon.
We had made an attempt to cap the blowout well, which is placement of the blowout preventer on top of the wellhead. The operations was successful, the initial phase, and while the experts were aligning the BOP, at that moment, one of the bull lines snapped. The weight of the BOP rests on the two bull lines, which is attached to the ATI wagon. And since the entire weight fell on only one of the bull lines, experts decided for safety purpose to safely remove the BOP, and the next operation will be resumed after rectification of this particular problem.
The blowout preventer stack was successfully placed over the wellhead, while the BOP stack alignment job was underway to insert the studs. One of the two bull lines connected to the ATI wagon, which was lifting the BOP stack, came out from the socket due to the impact of excessive heat, OIL in a statement on Monday said. The high-pressure blowout at the OIL India Limited Baghjan's gas well on number 5 in Tinsukia district had taken place on May 27. On June 9th, a major fire broke out at the gas well, resulting in the death of two OIL firefighters. After the gas well caught fire, it has been continuously spitting geysers like jets of flames. On July 22nd, 3 foreign experts from the Alert Disaster Control who were roped in from the well control operations suffered burn injuries while working at the blowout site. Meanwhile, OIL said that its oil and gas productions, drilling and workover operations also continues to be affected due to the forceful closure of some wells connected to the Baghjan's EPS and its operations. OIL further said that the environment impact assessment study on various parameters carried out are in different stage of progress. In June, the Green National Tribunal had ordered the formation of an expert committee to probe a blowout and subsequent fire and assess the damage caused to human life, wildlife and the environment because of the industrial disaster. Bureau Report.